Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm doing another product review, and I am basically glad that I got my hands on this scale here, and I definitely want to start playing around with it. It's the INEVIFIT, I'm almost saying the name, INEVIFIT EROS Bluetooth body scale. And it basically, you can track your weight and everything with it and all that. And you also can track your stuff on your cell phone, on your smartphone. And like I said, I want to get my hands on and start playing with it right away and see what it's all about. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, folks, as I showed you earlier, this is the scale I got my hands on, and it comes in a very impressive box. And I think I tore that by mistake. Sorry about that. But other than that, this is the box it came in, and basically, it's definitely decent. I mean, I like the packaging and everything. But what got my attention is that I noticed all these interesting stuff it has going on. And even got something on top of here. Then, I'm going to leave that alone. But you probably read that later if you get the scale. I'll leave that with you. But the thing that caught my eye is basically it has it doesn't just weigh you. It's got all sorts of stuff on it. Body weight, body mass index, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, basal metabolism rate, and metabolic age. And of course, I also know something else about it. You can actually get an app that will attach to the scale itself. So not only do you have a scale, you basically have a full, system to monitor your weight and what's going on with you while you're doing whatever you're doing as far as exercising, whatever. From what I'm seeing here, and basically comes with an app that comes with it that you download and everything. That's what it looks like here. Wow, this is interesting. Wow. Oh, it says it's highly accurate. Body composition, unlimited users. Oh. So that means you can put... So it doesn't lock down just one person. Many people can use this. Okay. Smart tracking. Oh, that tracks your progress, obviously. And, got a 5-year warranty. This is cool. Alright. Oh, let's get inside this box. I want to see what it looks like. Alright. As you know, when y'all watch my channel, I'm a very neat freak when it comes to opening boxes. I don't like tearing no boxes up, except in this carry side. Sorry about that. But anyway, open this up. Carefully open it up. Ooh, well, this is interesting. It's nicely packaged, as you can see. You gotta make sure that nothing's going on. Cool. Alright, we're going to easily take this out the box here. Now the weight itself got some weight to it, but I believe that's to keep it from moving around when you get on it. So, I mean, it's nice. Oh my goodness, wait a minute, check this out. Wait a minute, let me take it out the plastic here. But then I noticed something else. I'm already feeling and noticing something else. Let me take it out the package here. Ooh! Oh, I almost dropped everything. Alright. Before I get to the scale, I'm going to show you this first. Alright. Of course, you got the manual here that comes with it. I'm definitely going to read this thoroughly. This is cool. Alright. And... oh, you got your warranty card. So it's got a 5-year warranty. Oh, these people are not playing. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. Alright, so let's look at our scale here. I can tell you right now, it's not heavy because of parts. This is actually tempered glass. Okay, cool. This scale can take it. Alright, cool. Okay, I definitely gotta do the instructions on here. It says on here, looks like I said, I'm gonna read the manual and find out more about it. And definitely gonna be using this. Oh my goodness, it's easy to carry, as you can see. And like I said, the only reason it's heavy is because of the glass. But I think that's how it, it measures your weight and everything and stuff. And I'm noticing a whole bunch of other stuff going on with this. This is just like the coolest scale I ever seen. Okay, let's see what's going on in the back of here. Oh, let's look back here. Looks like there's a part where you put the battery in. Let's open this up. So it looks like it needs 3 AAA batteries. Okay, well, I'm definitely going to look around for some batteries around here. If anybody saw my earlier videos, I need to get some more AAA batteries. So I got plenty of those now. So I'm definitely going to get my set and put them in here and start this bad boy up and running. So I'm going to go ahead and like I said, I got to put this back on too. I'm just excited to get it. I'm just going to go ahead and read through this manual, read the instructions, read about how to use the app and all that, and I'm definitely going to get back at you. Well, folks, I got to finish reading this manual and everything, and like I said, it's a very extensive manual that pretty much tells you everything you need to do with the scale and everything. And I found out a few interesting things about the scale that definitely might pique your interest. So I'm gonna tell you right away. But first, let me get back to the first part. Remember earlier I was, playing around with the battery compartment and everything and all this junk, and I said I need to get my hands on some 3 batteries, 3 AAA batteries and everything. Well, as I was, getting ready to throw this foam stuff away, I noticed something. The battery was located inside one of the foam things. And I was like, just found this. I was like, oh my goodness. I was about to throw this away without even looking. So if you happen to get this, definitely look inside the foam thing, because the battery is located there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is basically take the batteries out of here and install it into here. So I'm going to do this. Okay. Gotta cut this open. Where's my little tool here? Got it. Okay. So now we're going to open this up. Install this inside the scale. Alright. Just open it up like so. Don't mind me, I'm just so anxious to open it. No, it's easy to open it. It's just me fumbling. Alright. So, just start putting your batteries and line them up in the diagram here. Just put them in there like so. Just like that. And that's it. Put it back on. There you go. And as you notice, you just saw that, didn't you? I just saw that too. Let's put it down. Well, these things right here aren't just for show. They're actually electrodes. And what you would do is you'll put your bare feet, basically, you'll put your bare feet on those, right? Same thing here. Left foot, right, right foot. And what it would do once you do that, and once you hook up to the app that you download to your cell phone, to your smartphone, it measures all this stuff right here. It measures all that through the electrodes that's attached to, you know, when you step on those. So those are just for sure. Those are actually measuring all this stuff right here. So we're definitely going to be trying that out. And that's the cool part about it. I was like, okay. So in my next scene, my next clip, we're actually going to be using this. So stay tuned. Alright folks, well, as you see, we've moved it to another place to scale, and since it's in a new place, we gotta get it to automatically recalibrate. So for that to happen, according to the manual, we basically would just step on for a few seconds and then step off. See, the words calibrate comes on and it's at 0. This basically happens on anytime you have to move the scale around, it's got to recalibrate and everything. But if it's going to be in the same place, you just step on, take your weight, and step off, and you're cool. So, as you notice, wait a minute, how much let me see. I got to check that again. I just saw my weight on here. How much I weigh? I weigh, 158.8. Oh, that's cool. I'm cool with that. All right. Well, I'm cool with that weight so far. The other thing we want to do is, of course, download the app that connects to this scale. So I'm going to hop on my smartphone here and download it. I'm just getting on my phone. There we go. So I'm going to on the Android phone, you want to go to the Play Store, and the app you want to look for is basically the Eros app. So I'm just going to type in Eros on the Android phone. I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing on your Apple phone too. Type in Eros. Just type in Eros. This comes up, Eros app. So I'm going to tap on that. And the app we're looking for is called Eros Scale. Right there. You can see it, yeah. So I'm going to tap on that. Go ahead and install that. Wait for that to hurt and download. Uh-oh, what it's telling me. I probably got to get rid of something off my phone first. This happens sometimes too if you download a whole bunch of apps onto your smartphone. Let me get back at you about that. Well folks, finally got the download, and basically it'll look like this on your phone, that little app right there. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. It comes up like that. And now it's asking me all sorts of questions, as you can see, so I'm going to answer the questions. Choose weight unit. Choose that. I'm going to leave it on that. And now I'm just going to log into my account. Alright, basically this is the menu it comes to. You see a menu like this now. If you haven't already signed up, you basically will go and sign up from the bottom down there. It's already signed up for an account, so I'm going to sign into my account. Logging in. Oh, it's asking me about Fitbit. If you got like a Fitbit or other stuff, you can attach to the account, but I don't have none at the moment, so I'm just going to skip that. And that's basically what comes up. Now, as you notice, it tells you to turn on your Bluetooth. Alright, so I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth. There we go. I turned my Bluetooth on, so I'm going to confirm. And now, here's the message that comes up. And that's what you exactly do. You gotta turn on your location on your phone for it to work right. So I gotta turn the location thing on here too. Do that. And then hit confirm. Actually all of that. Hit that. And we come to that. Now earlier, I tried to scale out, and that's what you see there. And as you notice, it's got all this interesting stuff on here too. It shows you all that, you know, what's going on with your body and everything. And it's interesting, especially about the about age 47. Oh well, that's cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and see. As a matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and get my wife to get on this scale. So stay tuned. All right, folks. Well, here's my wife here. And
chubby checker.
No, you're not chubby checker.
Yeah, well,
no,
that's what he says, but I know I'm a little chubby.
You're not chubby. But anyway.
Get on the scale.
Well, actually, yeah, it's basically, but in order to get on the scale, so you can measure everything, go into the directions there, you gotta put, you know, have your feet up. Oh, you took your shoes off. Good. Take your shoes off, get on the scale. Oh, it's measuring all that. See that? So, folks, it just measured all that, just like that.
Measured all of what? Oh, I'm 118 pounds.
No.
I'm 218 pounds. You know I'm not happy with this world.
But then, now you know. I step on it again, I guess. But that was, yeah, go step on it. Try it one more time. Now, it's doing all that. And then after it gets all that, it sends the information to the app. And it's sent it, and you hear a little thing on here. Now, but the thing about the scale is once you connect to this, the app connects to the app, a little Bluetooth thing shows up on the scale here, and it shows you everything. So, that's cool. So you're 218.
Yeah, I'm fat. So.
You're not fat.
Can I get off?
Well, check this out. Check this out. Check out all the beans it gave my wife, though. It showed all this, right? So that's definitely stuff we might have to work on.
Let me see, cause I didn't see that.
Yep. There it is.
There's what?
See where it says yellow? The red is the part that, you know, but you already working on that. But the green stuff is okay stuff. Yellow stuff is questionable, and red stuff you might want to work on.
I eat like what age?
Hold on, let me see it. It says body fat is 25%. Of course, they want it lower than that.
What age do I eat at?
Well, according to your metabolic age, 55. So you're younger. You eat like a younger person.
Thank you, Jerome, for building up my ego.
Oh man. Oh, my light went out. Ooh.
Peace. See you guys later.
Well, that's it. That's pretty much it. As a matter of fact, we really like this scale so much, we're gonna go ahead and provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video, so you better get it from yourself and everything. And I like it. I mean, it's cool. I mean, I'm definitely gonna give this to my wife, and she's gonna be playing with this thing. So I gotta download this app to her phone, by the way. So, all right. So, well, thank you for watching, and have a great day.